Very good evening. Thank you for joining. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Markondas are will not be available. For that, I am starting a new tool. The tool name is Maven. My screen is shared or not respond. My screen is visible for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good ma. Okay, I'm trying to open MS Paint. If anyone is trying to join, please intimate me. I think here maximum people are freshers. I think I know. There, everybody know what is DevOps, right? Anyone tell me what is DevOps? Anyone tell me what is DevOps? DevOps is, am I audible, right?
Development come operations.
Very simple, not
Yes, sir.
a tool or
Is a methodology.
not a technology. It is a, it is a methodology. Any spelling mistake is there? Try to tell me. Methodology. GY. In interview, they will ask you, what is DevOps? DevOps is not a tool. DevOps is not a technology. It is a methodology. Which methodology it is following? I think you know AGI. What is the methodology, ma? Agile. Which methodology? It is following Agile methodology. Freshers, what is the purpose of Agile methodology? Agile meaning is time based. Time based. Agile means repetitive. ITERATIV. What does it mean, ma? Anyone pronounce? ITERATIV. Iterative. Iterative means repetitive. Repetitive. Why we need to repetitive? See, you know waterfall method. I think everybody know it. I don't want to go in depth there. I am simplifying. You know it. This is like this. This is like this. We'll go with. This is the process. We may apply it. This is the process. We may apply it. Again, we are starting here. Control Z. No. Something goes wrong. Got it. In the same way, we'll do like this. This is the waterfall methodology. What is the disadvantage in waterfall methodology? Anyone? What is the disadvantage of waterfall methodology?
Time consuming.
One is okay, good. What is the next problem? Assume I mean this is the step work, STEP work. I'm moving to step two. Can I move from step two to again step one? Is it possible in waterfall methodology? Only, only which top down approach? Only top down. Step one to step two to step three to I may not move to step one. But in Agile, not like that. We can go for any step to any step. Any step to any step. From one to two, again two to one. That's why we're calling iterative approach or repetitive or iterative. Agile is time-based methodology. Nowadays, industry following only Agile there is no waterfall. It is time consuming and here is time waste. How can I say? There it will take for development 6 to 1 year now. For testing 2 to 3 months now. For deployment only take 1 or 2 days. Deployment, their team is there. That team will sit idle. You know the word idle. Here According to DevOps, you know the word IDLE, now IDEAL. DevOps is the ideal tool suite. I think you know the word ideal. Ideal means, I'm giving dictionary meaning, best. Ideal means best. Ideal means waste or maybe simplicity ideal were take. Ideal means worst. But ideal means worst. Ideal means best tool. Even if you see the marker, on the marker they written marker is the ideal tool, best tool. Very easy to erase, very easy to write it. Here our intention is today I am trying to start a new tool. I said, right? What is the tool? The tool name is Maven. The tool name is Maven. But till now everybody know only Git, right? Git. What is Git? Anyone tell me? What is Git? Git is the version
Version
control,
controlling tool.
version controlling, distributed version control system or server, distributed version control system or server, Git. You know, Git is there, GitHub is there, Git is there, GitHub is there. What is the difference between Git and GitHub? GitHub is the central server, GitHub is the central server. Git is the local server. Git is the local server. Both are servers. This is local. This is local. You know, somewhere have you seen Git SCM? Git SCM. Anyone boy tell me what is SCM?
Source code management.
Source code management. Source code management. Okay. Whenever time permits, again I will explain what is Git related concept also. But our concept is Maven, right? Maven. Now see, try to understand what is Maven. Maven is OSS, open source. Open source. It is a open source server, or you may call it a service. Open source tool. Open source tool. It is mainly meant for Java based applications. Java based applications. You may ask me, the purpose of Maven is what? It is a build tool, man. It is a build, B-U-I-L-D, build tool. You may ask me, sir, what is build? Generally, we are having three terminologies, ma. Code, test, or code, even build, then test. First, you need to code it, then you need to build it, then you need to test it. After coding, I need to go with build. After building, I need to go with test. After testing, generally, you know the one word, ma. What is that, ma? Anyone can guess it? Code, build, test. Anyone respond?
Deploy.
Deploy.
Yeah, deploy. Even deploy. Then you go for even delivery. Got it or not? Deploy is different from delivery. Delivery is different from deploy. First, you need to deploy. Then only you go for delivery. Generally, code, build, test. We'll see in that process. First, you need to know how to code it. Who will code, ma? General thing. Who will code? Developers only can develop. That is nothing but coding. That is nothing but coding. How to do developers something, Windows key. I'm going to edit plus, ma. Edit plus. If it is there, take that one. Otherwise, notepad also. Try to observe. Ma, if you don't know coding, don't panic. Don't bother about. Try to understand it. As a DevOps engineer, you must know at least how they write, what they write, why they write. Those things you need to know. For that, I am giving clarification. Some one or two people even don't know coding standards. Even they don't know coding. Don't panic. As a faculty, as a professional, I will provide that much of clarity, because of many people are facing problem after getting the job. For that, try to follow me. No need to go for assistance. Even after getting the job, some people will go for what, man? Support, right? Support. Even many people are facing problem. Sir, really, can I do it? Or I need support. Maybe you may provide or some other may provide. They are facing such difficulties. If you follow me, you no need to go for that type of supporting. See here, just I am clicking on Java. That's all. Some code are you getting right? There, no need to learn word by word. Try to understand the overview. I given one file name class. Supposing test. There hello world is there. Control S save it. Control S, save it. I am giving the name test I am giving the name test. If that name already exists, it may give an error. Check it. I am trying to save this. Save. See, already there. I am giving test demo or test Maven. Test Maven. I am giving test Maven. Click on save. What is my class name? Again, test Maven. Test Maven. There, hello Maven. There I'm giving hello Maven. That's all. Hello Maven. There I'm giving control one check it control one. Press any key to continue. I'm giving control to check it Am I getting output is what Anyone respond? What is the output I got? Hello Maven. Hello Maven. Here, as a professional, as a DevOps engineer, you are able to understand what it is going on. What it is going on. See, what is the output system is providing? At least everybody know it, right? What system is displaying? Hello Maven. With the help of which function, which method? Oh, println. Which object? Out object. Which class? System class. If you listen multiple times from me, we can easily understand. This is the class, this is the object, this is the method. Class, object, method. What it will display? If you want to display a message, we need a method. If you want to call a method, we need an object. If you want to create an object, we need a class. This is the predefined class. This is the user defined class. How can I say this is the class? Before the name, what is there? Class is there. That's why I'm calling as class name. Even blindly, I may understand. Execution starts from main method. Execution starts from main method. Is it easy or complex, No need to learn each and every keyword, If you want to learn each and every keyword, again you try to join Java. It may take again 3 months. It may take again 3 months. See, I want to print one more line. Simply what will you do? Copy paste. Industry people 99% they may copy paste. Only 10% only controls V. Control V. Once again I am pressing enter. Control V. There they are writing hello. Hello. Maybe I am writing hello DevOps. Hello DevOps. Now again control 1. We are compiling. We are compiling. Enter. I am executing control. Control. Everything who will do? Maven will do. I am doing manually. Maven will do dynamically. Maven will do dynamically. See, I want to print addition of 2 numbers. You know it. Take A is equal to 10. You know it. Semicolon. Semicolon. B is equal to 20. Semicolon. But Java is statically typed, strictly typed. That's why you must give int. You must give int. C is equal to int. C is equal to A plus B. That's all. System.out.println. You want to print C, I am printing simply C. Check it. Control 1 once again. Enter it. Control 2. Am I getting the output or not? You may ask me. I want to get 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. See, first I am printing 10 A plus concatenation. Again plus B plus is equal to plus C. Control 1, check it. Enter. Control 2, check it. 10 plus 20 is equal to 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Am I getting or not, But in industry standard, they won't take fixed content. They will take dynamic. They will take dynamic. They will take dynamic. At that time, you need to write 3 more lines. At that time, you need to write 3 more lines. What I said, don't panic. Try to understand it. Try to understand it. At that time, you may use one plasma scanner. SC is equal to new scanner. There, I'm scanning system.in. Here is system dot out dot print. Enter a value. Here is int a is equal to sc dot next into. Same procedure. I'm copy pasting. Control C, Control V. Now I'm trying to clarify what Maven will do. Maven knows everything, ma. I'll show you. Enter B value. Even without knowing all this, Maven will do automatically. B. Now C is equal to A plus B. If I give control 1, it provides an error. Check it. Is it providing an error or not? What it is saying, anyone can try to understand and tell me. Clearly it is giving an error. Cannot find symbol. Anyone respond to me? Those who know minimum Java. What it is saying, ma? That at least 1 or 2 people minimum known Java known people are there or not? Sravani. I think Neelavani is there. Maybe Sanjay, you know little bit Java or you don't know?
I don't know, sir.
Good, no problem. If you don't know Java, you feel very happy, ma, because of I am telling, try to understand in that way. You can easily identify. Ma, scanner is the class, predefined class, ma. You need to specify the details. Import java.util.start. Utility is one package. This contain class scanner. Control 1. Enter it. Control 2. Now check it. Is it asking enter A value? 100. Enter B value 200. Am I getting 100 plus 200 is 300? Am I getting or not? This is the way programmers will write now. But you may ask me, sorry, here only 10 lines, 80 lines are there. In real time, how many lines are there? Maybe 10,000 lines. Maybe 10,000 lines. Maybe 1 lakh lines may be also there. But they won't write 1 lakh lines in one file. Ma. They won't write 1 lakh files in one area. They may write 10 lines in one file, 20 lines in one file, maybe 100 lines in one file. They can integrate. You know the word integration? How many of you know the word integration? Integration means?
Yes, sir.
Integrate means?
Combined.
Combine. Will you see how to combine the minimum coding standards? Ma, without knowing all this, we can work as a DevOps engineer, ma. But internally, what going on? Suppose in one company, 100 members are there, 100 employees are there. You may know what at least 90 members, what they will do. At least you know it. Your work is very simple. Suppose, see what I am doing. I am trying to implement. Ma, nothing is there, right? Even I am taking new one. File new Java. Even I am deleting everything. Deleted everything. See, I am trying to apply class A. You can easily understand. Class A. Within the class, I am trying to take, it is public void. Must show I am giving. Just system dot out dot, very simple one, ma, out dot println. Just I am giving welcome for welcome to class A. That's a, this is one class. Class is A. Class contain one method show. That method contain message is class A. Just control yes. With which name I want to save? With the class name only. What is the class name? Ma? Just A. Alt F A. The name of the class is A. Here is extension Java is there, right? Extension Java. Don't worry about. Save it. It is saved. This method you want to access. This method you want to access. Where you want to access, observe carefully. I am going to new file now. Internally what they will do, observe. There test A I am giving. Test A. Test A. Check it. A OA is equal to new A. What is the method name? Anyone tell me? What is the method name? OA dot show. OA dot show. OA dot show. I am trying to save alt FA. What is the name? Test A. TEST test A. Test A. Control 1. Control 1. Control 2. Check it what it is giving. Welcome to class A. Is there any method? Is there any method? Is there show A? Is there any method show? No. Show is the method belongs to class A. How can I call? With the help of OA. With the help of OA. Today up to this, try to understand it. Again, I am entering into Maven tool. I am giving minimum clarity. Like this, every day I may go with 10 to 15 minutes. At least you may understand what programmers will do internally. What programmers? You are not a programmer. Try to keep it in our mind. You are only the DevOps engineer or build and release engineer. But you must know what programmer may do. What programmer may do. You are not a programmer. I think you know the difference. You are not a programmer. You try to understand what programmer will do. Now I am entering into our concept. Now you know something I written here. What I written? Maven is a open source tool. Java based applications. It is a build tool. Here build tools not only Maven. Build tools. BUILD. Build tools. Now number one is ant. ANT. How many of you know the word ANT? Ant. Another neat tool. Another neat tool. Second one is Maven. Maven. Even third one is Grader. Grader. GRADLE or GRADEL? Anyone respond? GRADLE. GRADLE. Grader. My ant is outdated. Gradle is new, but only 2 to 8% or 10% assume only 10% people are using Gradle. But in industry, 90% people are using only Maven. 90% people using only Maven. Why they may use 90%? Everything Maven knows, ma. Everything Maven knows. Today, I'll show you at least one example. Today, I'll show you at least one example. My intention is showing multiple examples, then only you will get the clarity. Even if I explain 3 days without showing example, again, you may have multiple doubts. Here, Maven is a build tool. Maven is a build tool. If you want to build it, you must have the code. Who will write the code, ma? Again, Maven will write the code. Maven will write the code. See, I will explain how to install Maven. Before going to install, I'll try to provide one simple example. Windows key are CMD, just CMD. You know, CMD stands for command prompt. Everybody know it, I think, command prompt. There I maximize. I may work on C drive. I may work on D drive. I may work on E drive. That is our wish. You tell me, shall I go with the C drive or D drive or E drive? Ma? New persons, tell me your wish. Ma. I may take example on any one drive. Which drive? Can I go with which drive? C or
We
D?
will go for D.
Which one, ma Sanjay?
D drive, sir.
D drive. Just D column. That's all. Just MVN is the Maven command. Ma. Just like Java. Even see, I am giving JAVA Java. Is it working or not? Flow is coming or not? Tell me. It will get the flow. It is getting flow means working, man. Even Java, see, am I getting flow? I'll tell you how to install everything. Don't worry. But step by step basis. In the same way, I am going to see CLS. There I am giving MVN enter. MVN enter. If Maven is configured, then only I will get like this. See, Something maybe build failure. Don't panic. I written something. I am getting some flow, right? Flow in the sense it is working or not. Maven is working. Maven is working. But see MVN R key type colon GENERATN. What is the command I am using? MVN R key type colon GENERAT. I am pressing enter. That's all. I said it will take care of everything. It is asking some options. Just like if you want to create an email account, it is asking enter your name, enter your email ID, enter first name, enter phone number, like that. Everybody can do it, right? See, choose a number or apply filters. Filter, format, group ID, artifact ID, case sensitive, contains, right? Now 2060. Leave as it is. Leave as it is. Just enter. It is showing some numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 8. What is the latest one? Anyone can observe and tell me. What is the latest one?
1.4, sir.
1.4. What is the number for 1.4? Is the 1.4 is the version. The numbering they given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Choose a number. What system is taking ma? Maven is an intelligent tool. It is taking latest one. Are you agree with me? 8. 8 means what? 8 means what does it mean? It is taking the version. Which version? 1.4. Are you agree with me? Group ID. Group ID. What is group ID? Group ID is nothing but company name or vendor name. Company name or vendor name. I am taking SANDYA Sandhya.com. What I am taking ma? Sandhya.com. Shall I go with? Company name is Sandhya.com. That is the vendor name. What is the vendor name? Who is developing this project? That vendor name. Group ID. That is the company name. Try to understand. Group ID is nothing but technical word is vendor name. Some people may understand or not. That's why I am giving company name. Now, artifact ID is nothing but project name. Project name. You guess and tell me. Maven is meant for which projects, ma? Anyone respond? Voice. I want to listen your voice also. I said Maven is meant for Java projects or .NET projects or PHP projects. I think, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Java project. Which purpose, ma? Mainly Maven is Java. That means Java PRO. Or tell me anyone name, ma? Anyone name? Person name, ma? I'm asking. Voice. Tell me. Anyone person name? I'm expecting here in this group, ma. Or shall I see your names? Anyone respond to me?
Bosu.
Bosu. Okay. Bosu is developing one Java project. Why I'm taking like this means interest will come, ma. Java. Bosu. BOSU. Java project. Bosu is developing one Java project. Can I take like this? Yes. See, snapshot. Snapshot. Regular build is nothing but snapshot now. Regular build. What is the number? 1.0. You may take any number, ma. You know, version 1, version 2, version 3. Nowadays, Java, JDK, some people know, right? What is the latest version, boys? Java version. Java. Even see, you can easily try to understand. In these 3 days, you try to learn minimum Java, ma. Then only you will get the clarity. Even Java latest version on the internet I am applying. What is the version? Anyone observe and tell me what your system is showing? Java is Java what?
Java 20
Java
or
20.
JDK 20.
Even 20 is there. Industry following which version? Anyone can guess it? Industry following which version? Can you guess it? At least guess, ma. Maybe right or wrong, don't worry. I am here, right?
Sir,
Ma,
8.
Java 11 industry
11,
is
sir.
following, ma. Industry following Java 11. My industry will fix one version, ma. Maybe the right or wrong. Many people, they may use one version. That is the industry standard version. Java 11 nowadays standard. Java 11 nowadays standards. Is it clear for you? Here, here. Now asking package, my package name, company name, both are same, ma. Back package name, company name, group ID name, package name. Enter. Enter. It is asking observe capital Y. Are you observing? Capital Y. I am giving capital Y. Then enter. What system did anyone respond? Build
Success.
success.
Build
That means we did something. Everything is fine from our side. See, in olden days, developer has to develop something. They may go for unit testing. Ma, it will take time, ma, but not like that. One tool is there. Tool will take care of everything. You may ask me, sir, how tool did? How tool did? We need to see, right? What is our project name, Bosu? CD,
Bosu Java project.
BOU. I think Bosu, BO.
BOSC.
Yes, sir.
SC.
Tab key. System is taking automatically or not. Project is there, that's why it is taking. Project is nothing but folder. Don't panic. Project is different one. No. Project is nothing but set of files, ma. Set of files is nothing but project. Project is nothing but a folder. Folder is nothing but a project. I hope you got it. Press enter. Now check it. I am giving dir. Now till now, our project contain two sources. One is file, ma. What is the file name? Anyone respond? What is the file name? Form.xml.
.xml.
.xml. Boys, anyone tell me what is XML? If you know it, tell me. If you don't know, I am here. Don't worry. Each word I will explain now. XML, extensible markup language. Extensible markup language. Form, project object model. Project object model. What does it mean? All the project related things are available in where? In form.xml. In form.xml. I'll show you within 3 to 5 minutes. First, I need to enter into SRC. Ma. Shall I enter into SRC? Before going to this, try to observe my tree/f command I'm giving. Ma. Check it. Everybody check it. What system is providing? You need to learn all these things. My every day you must practice. Ma. I think I know many people sitting with your mobiles. After completion of this, at least you try to implement today work. Ma. Whatever I did, whatever I implemented, you must do. If anything goes wrong, I'm always for you only 24/7. I am always with you. You try to ping me within a half an hour. I'll try to interact with you. I'll provide guidance for you. I may make any error is there. I will rectify your problem. See, knowingly, unknowingly, one source folder is there that contain internally main is there. Within the main Java is there. Within the Java Sanja is there. Within the Sanja com is there. Within the com what it is there, ma? Java file is there. Are you understanding or not? Why this much of layers? That is the industry standard. Source code, their main folder, their Java, their, this is a technical word means source package, main package, Sanja sub package. Within that, one more sub package. Within that, what is there? Java code is there. Java code is there. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? Even see, one test folder is there. There Java is there. Again Sanja is there. Again com is there. App test.java is there. App test.java is there. You may ask me, sir, I want to see this Java code. How can I see? Anyone can guide me. I want to see this file content, ma. I want to see this file content. If I want to see this, I need to enter into SRC or not, Bosu? CD, SRC. Now again I want to enter into CD, enter ma. CD main. CD Java, CD Sandhya, CD com. Now dir, check it. Our file is there or not? App.java. Notepad ma, notepad A tab A. Enter it. Check it. Check it. Check it and tell me. Am I written? Maven written. Anyone can tell me? Did I write? Maven written this code. Who written this code ma? At least tell me. Who written this code?
Maven written this code, sir.
Maven written. That means Maven knows everything. That is my intention. Without writing my own code like this, if I show you what you may feel, oh, Maven writing something, we don't know what it is, but we know very well manually written. Similar type of code Maven is also writing. That's what I said. You try to know minimum, you try to have minimum knowledge. At least one public class. What is the class name here? APP. What is the class name here? APP. What is the main method?
App.
What is the method name is? Main method name? Main only. What it will print? Hello world will print. Hello world it will print. Is it clear for you? How to test this? That is somewhat difficulty, ma, but I'll show you. Try to. Ma, even as a DevOps engineer, you no need to run, ma. You no need to run. Your duty is only build, ma. Your duty is build. Developer only can test. Assume. Today we are feeling like a developer. Assume. Till now clear? Just shall I close this? Yes. Shall I close this? Yes. Now where I am in? Here. I want to come to one step back now. One step in the sense CD backslash. Try to understand. CD backslash. CD BOS tab K. I am in project DAR. Now try to observe. Wherever pom.xml is there, you must stay there. You don't go internal. Our intention as a DevOps engineer duty is to create a build ma. I said right. Maven is which tool? Anyone respond? Maven is which tool?
Build tool.
Build tool.
Build automation.
Build automation tool, right? We need to know how to build, right? First, we need to know how to build. Ma, MVN package. What is the keyword, ma? What is the command, ma? MVN package. Shall I press enter? Yes. Check it. What happening? Ma, running Sandhya.com within that app test run 1, failure 0, error 0, skipped 0, time elapsed 0.042, maybe milliseconds. Ma. Maybe this is seconds because of this is millis in Sandhya.com app test. Finally, observe this is the building jar D colon Osu Java project. They created one target. Within that, it is created which file ma? Extension. Anyone? Just tell me what is the extension?
Jar file, sir.
Jar file. Now I am coming to explanation. Maven can create number 1 dot jar file, number 2 dot var file, number 3 dot er file. What are the 3 files it may create, ma? Number 1 may be jar, number 2 may be var, number 3 may be er. Now, boys, anyone tell me what does it mean? Maybe Java ARCHIBA. Java pronounce ARCHIBA stands for boys. Java
Archive.
archive. Anyone can tell me the meaning of archive? Ma? Archive means what does it mean? Compressed. Java archive. Now second one. What I said? Web ARCHIB archive. What does it mean? Internet based applications. Internet based applications. Web archive. My industry using web based or console based. Anyone can try to interact with me. Industry nowadays using web based or console based.
Web-based, sir.
Industry using web based only.
Web-based.
Web based only. Okay. Even industry following ER. Anyone can guess it? ER stands for enter. PRIS. Enterprise. Enterprise. Tell me. ARCHIP. Enterprise archive. What does it mean? What does it mean? Distributed applications. Distributed web applications. Anyone, please mute it. If you are getting your side some noise, try to mute it. Distributed web application. Enterprise archive. But I think some people know the word microservice. Do you know or you don't know? At least the word. What is the word? Microservices. Nowadays we are following microservices architecture. Microservices architecture. All microservices following one extension among three. Anyone can guess it? Which extension? Maybe jar, maybe where, maybe ER. At least guess it. Here.
ER.
ER. Maybe who Who is that? Tell me the name.
Leelaja.
Leelaja. Okay, Leelaja, you are wrong, Next, any other?
War files.
Where file. Your name, brother?
Bosu.
Bosu. You are also wrong. Okay, now you know it. I think everybody know the answer, right?
Remaining jar.
And remaining jar only, right? Remaining jar only. I hope everybody understood that jar. But you may ask me, sir, if I give where, what happens? No worries. But observe carefully. I think somewhere you heard monolithic. Mono, Lithic. Monolithic. Maybe spelling observe Lithic, right? Monolithic. Monolithic follows dot where or you know the word dot er. Got it or not? But microservice follows microservices follows nowadays what dot jar files. You may ask me, sir, what is the advantage of microservice? Try to understand. This is one microservice. This is one another microservice. This is one more microservice. Here advantage, this may communicate this one. This may communicate this one. Even see, microservice 1 is able to communicate with 2 and 3. This is for your easy understanding. I am taking this is MS microservice hashtag 1 microservice 1. This is what MS hashtag 2. This is what? Can you guess it? MS hashtag 3, right? MS hashtag 3. One microservice is able to communicate with another. You may ask me, you assume this is ICICI ATM server. ICICI ATM server or otherwise ICICI Bank. This is Axis Bank. This is HDFC Bank. Even I can go with like this also. Now observe carefully. I am having Access ATM card. I am inserting on ICICI ATM. Am I getting money or not? Tell me anyone. Am I possible to withdraw money or not? One ATM card is implementing or inserting another ATM. Now ATMs are accepting or not?
Yes, sir, accepting.
That is the distributed application concept. Distributed comes under, you know it, that is ER, right? Even nowadays where ER internally following which extension? Dot jar. Dot jar knows internally where, dot jar knows internally ER also. Nowadays, but olden days not like that. Jar is for different. Jar is nothing but even I can give that clarity also. Try to understand. Only jar is nothing but what? Try to understand. Dot jar means set of only class files. Only class file. If I combine set of class files is nothing but jar. You may ask me, sir, what is where? What is where? Set of dot maybe jar dot jar in the sense you know right? What is the files ma? Class files, but also dot HTML files, dot HTML. Why I am calling dot HTML? Even web based, right? Dot JS files, dot JS files, dot JSP files, dot PHP files, dot ASP files, dot ASP, etc. etc. Even dot JPEG, dot MPEG, dot MPEG, MPEG. You know who will know JPEG extension, ma boys? JPEG extension, Joint Photographic Exports Group. What is MPEG? MPEG, Motion Picture Exports Group. Here see dot class files is there and also web based HTML files, maybe CSS files, maybe JSP files, maybe PHP files, maybe ASP. You know the words, at least I know. You don't know the technology. At least everybody knows some words, right? At least tell me the abbreviations, those who know. Some computer science background people are there here, right? Minimum background, ma. I am not expecting 100%, maybe minimum. Ma, Leelaja, try to tell me HTML.
Hypertext markup language.
Good. What is
HTML.
JS, ma? What is JS, ma?
JavaScript.
Yeah, good. What is JSP?
Uh, don't know, sir.
Java server pages. What about PHP? Anyone, boy? Preprocessor, hypertext or hypertext preprocessor, ma? Hypertext preprocessor. What is ASP? Active server pages. You know .NET projects. .aspx, ma. .NET projects. .aspx. .aspx. Got it or not? These things which contain ma? Dot where you may ask me, sir, what dot er contain? Dot er. Ma set of dot wheres. Set of dot wheres is nothing but what ma? Set of dot wheres is nothing but what? Dot er. Dot er. Dot er. See, one where is nothing but this is one where. This is another where. This is one more where. See, I'm combining these three, ma. You know it. I'm combining these three. Now tell me what it is. What it is? Anyone? Dot er. Ma, is it clear for you? I said what? This is one where. Maybe you may ask me, this is one where. You may ask me, this is one jar. Again, this may be one where. This may be one where. Either maybe set of wares or maybe set of jars or maybe combination of things. We may call it as what ma? Dot er. Enterprise archive. Ma, nowadays ER files we are not following. Nowadays we are 100% we are following which files ma? Only dot jar majority. Dot jar majority. Till now, anybody having any doubt, try to interact with me because of today my first class, right? Even some people don't know my name also, even don't know my background also. But if till now, if anybody facing difficulty, try to interact with me. Even at the end, I'll try to run my code, then I'll stop my class today. Till now, is there any doubt? Tell me. I'm giving 20 seconds time for you.
Sir, here exactly what about the microservices means?
I'll tell you, don't worry. Even you don't know, right? Microservice means part of the code, ma. Part of the code. Even try to understand. If I want to develop one project, ma, then web-based project, I am taking three words. Ma. First one is register page. Register. Then number two, login page. At least you know, right? Number three, logout page. At least everybody knows these three words, right? Register page, login page, logout page. If I combine these three, that is .var file. .var file. This is nothing but monolithic mark. This is nothing but monolithic. What I may do is, I am developing separately one file, that is the register. I am developing separately one login page. I am developing separately one logout page. This is register.jar. Register.jar. I am giving short form reg.jar. I am developing login login.jar. I may go with logout.jar. I may go with what ma? Logout.jar. Ma, these three are independent. Are understanding? These three are independent. But after register, what you may do it? Anyone respond? After register, directly you go for logout or login ma?
Login.
Login.
Yeah, good. Everybody understanding my view? This the arrow mark I am giving. After login, anyone can go for register. Tell me. After login, according to our scenario, first register, then you go for login. After login, then you go for what mark? After
Logout.
Log out.
log out. Are you understanding or not? See, I am giving the arrow. Internally, we will do this implementation. Who will do? System cannot know ma. System cannot know hierarchy. I think Bosu got it or not? First register, this is separate one microservice ma. This is microservice, one microservice. Nowadays we are doing this type of standard ma. One. This is what MS2, MS has to. That's why the nature of work is very easy ma. The nature of work is very easy. MS hash 3. Bosu try to understand if anything goes wrong in login page ma. Is there any problem in register and logout? Anyone respond? Something goes wrong in login. Is there any problem with the register page and logout page? Is there any difficulty? Is there any problem?
No.
Is there any dependency in register and login and logout? But according to our scenario, no ma. But I am giving hierarchy, human interaction. After registration, we go for login. After login only, we go for what? Logout. These are the independency. Not simply I can say no dependency. But if you want it, you can provide communication between them. Nowadays, we are following such strategy. This is nothing but microservice. This is nothing but microservice architecture. Microservice architecture. If I am taking
Sure.
this, anyone ma? Who is?
So microservices contains only jar or ER or WAR.
Ma,
It consists of only jar or set of files.
only jars ma. Nowadays, microservice is nothing but jar files ma. Got it or not? Nowadays, microservice is nothing but dot jars. Ma, dot jar no nowadays, even dot HTML also. Try to understand ma. Even that no, in older nature, jar is nothing but what I said. That's what I said. According to pure Java, dot jar is nothing but what ma? What I said. Set of class files.
Class files.
Only class files. Got it or not? But nowadays, after what is that? Nowadays, which is more powerful, ma? Maybe in Java. What is the technology?
.var file, sir.
No. My intention is not like that. Even what is the latest tool, ma? Anyone tell me? Nowadays in Java, popular tool. I forgot to that name. I'll tell you. Give me time for 1 minute. After Spring, what it is there, ma? Spring Boot, ma. Spring Boot, you know, right? SPRNG, Spring Boot. Nowadays, Spring Boot is most powerful, ma. Spring Boot. What is the advantage of Spring Boot? Observe, ma. Spring minus XML is equal to Spring Boot, ma. Spring Boot. What is the advantage in Spring Boot? 80% code that will write, ma. What it will do? 80% code that will write. What you need to do? Tell me remaining things. Only 20% you need to write. Only 20% you need to write. I even try to understand. I am giving small terminology. First language is there, man. They develop a language. After that, they develop a technology. Technology. After technology, they developed. Anyone tell me? After technology,
Projects.
no. By using technology, we can develop projects. By using language, also we can develop projects now. Language,
Tools, sir.
tools. Okay, you can consider tool also. Spring Boot is also tool. Frameworks, ma. What is that? Frameworks. 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 Ma, in language, observe carefully. Very simple. I am telling. 100% you must do, ma. Everything you need to do. Language doesn't know anything. You need to implement it. Whereas you are coming to the technology, 20% technology provide, 20% technology provide, remaining how much percentage you need to write? 80% you need to write. But whereas you are coming to the frameworks, please respond. Reverse scenario. What is that? 80%
80%.
framework will write, only 20% work you need to do.
Yes.
Ma, nowadays, why frameworks are, Angular, ma. How many of you know the word ANGU, Angular? Angular is a framework, ma. Angular. Have you heard Angular? Angular.
Yes, sir.
This is the framework tool, ma. Very easy to. There you are using internal language is TypeScript. 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 Why I'm telling all these things in the sense, if you enter into company, they will tell you, oh, I'm using Spring Boot, we're using TypeScript, we're using Angular. There you may feel, hey, what you are using? I am the DevOps engineer, I am the build engineer. They may laugh you. They may laugh. Why they may laugh? Ma, developer will know DevOps work, ma, but DevOps engineer may not know developer work. Please try to remember in that point. DevOps engineer never cross your limits, ma, in your organization. If you cross your limits, they can easily identify your knowledge. Why? They know everything because of their developers, right? Developers know automatically DevOps work, but DevOps engineers may not know development strategies. For that, what I am doing, I am trying to give development strategies also. If possibility is there, try to implement it, try to understand it, okay? Try to learn it. I'll tell you how to run my code, right? How to run. If you want to run this, see there. Maven in 5 minutes. One web page is there. Maven in 5 minutes. I think Maven in 5 minutes. Even you can do Maven in 5 minutes, ma'am. This is a special web page. Special web page. See the things here. How to create a project. See, I am edit like this. Automatically we are getting like this. Anyone observe? I did in this way, like right? Observe and tell me.
Yes, sir.
I got it or not? Even knowingly, unknowingly, I got it. They developed also like this because of already professionals developed. We are following some strategies. We may compare it. We may feel very happy it. But somewhere palm is there, right? Palm. Palm, what I said, try to. That is very, very important question. My examination question, maybe an interview question. Palm stands for project, object, model. Project, object, model. What form contain? Tomorrow we'll discuss all these things, internal things. Okay. How to execute this? Build the project. What I did, anyone respond, ma? Am I using such command or not? MVN? MVN, what I use after MVN? See on my screen. See on my
Package.
screen. Package. What MVN package will do? See, the command line will print out various actions and end with the following. Maybe something happen, right? Is the package. Package is the keyword. It will build. It will build. Which one it will create? Jar file it is created or where file it is created? Anyone respond? Which file got created? Which file got created? Where file or jar file? System is generated one file. Observe and tell me.
Jar.
Jar only. Jar only. How
Jar.
to how to execute our jar, ma? How to
Jar
execute
file.
how to execute our jar? Shall we go for that? How to execute our jar? See, I am copying this command, ma. Try to observe. I am copying this command, but I need to modify. Control C. Controls. Where should I go? I am going to here. Just observe dir. Their target is there or not? Check it and tell me. Target somewhere is visible for you or not? Respond and tell me.
Yes,
Yes. Even I am
it's
pasting.
visible, sir.
Visible. Good. But here something is there. We don't know what happening internally. We want to know, right? For this, I'm doing small modification. Try to observe. Where is my cursor? Java. Java is the, try to understand ma. First keyword Java. Java stands for Java interpreter. Please try to pronounce others. What is Java stands for? Java interpretation. That means Java command is executing. Java stands for Java interpreter. Hyphen CP. CP means class path ma. CP means what? Class path. Hyphen CP. What is your folder name? Target. Here target is there or not? Check it and tell me. Yes. Within the target, what is your jar file? Please respond anyone. What is your jar file? What is your there? It is visible. There it is visible. Check it. Gosu Java project hyphen
Gosu
1 point.
project 1.0.
Yeah. Yeah. You try to remember in that way. BOSU. Even I am giving tab key. May not taking BOSU, JAVA, PROJECT hyphen. Tell me 1.0 dot hotma dot insert. Where is insert? There I am having or not. Okay, no problem. 1.0 dot whatma jar. After that, what is your I think Sanjay given right somewhere. Sanjay given or not? SAN. Tell me ma. Sanjay given somewhere or not?
Yes, sir.
DY or
Yes, sir.
DHYA? SAN. SAN
DY.
DYA dot com
You
dot
have mentioned DY only, sir. Yes,
DYA.
sir.
Am I correct right? Dot app.
Yes, sir.
Sanja.com dot app. Something typo error. What is the typo error? First check it. System is giving like that. What is the Sanja? Com.Sanja or Sanja.com I took. Com.Sanja.com. I think Sanja
They
dot
are dot com only, sir.
yeah. Sanja.com dot app. But it is giving an error. Why? Now could not find the load main class Sanja dot. Okay, good. Two dots are there. Check it, ma. Knowingly, unknowingly, I provided one more dot. Now see, check it. Am I getting output or not? Go so. Am I getting output or not?
Sir, hello world came.
Got it.
Yes, sir, hello world came.
Bosu, you may ask me, sir, I don't want hello world. I want hello Bosu. Anyone can guide me? Within 5 minutes, I may wind up, ma. Anyone can guide me? I want to modify first my code. How can I modify? Tree. Tell me, /f. Where should I go first? I think system is generated so many things. Are understanding? In that, my day one you feel complex. Don't panic. I am here. I will provide everything. Also, where should I enter first? app.java, right? I want to enter into
Yes, sir.
app.java. How can I enter? This is available in COM. This is available in Sanja. This is available in Java. This is available in main. This is available in SRC. Got it or not?
C CD
Yes, sir.
src slash
Yeah,
main
good.
slash
Tell
java
me
slash
CD,
sanja dot
SRC, good. CD, then CD, main, right? Good.
src slash.
Even you don't know dir,
Yes,
ma. CD, Java, good. dir, you don't know. CD, SA, don't know. dir. Now CD, com, you don't know. Now dir. Now tell me notepad. Tell me notepad, ma.
Java, app.java.
Now
app.java.
Bosu, I am writing hello Bosu. Hello Bosu. VO
Yes.
Yes, you, that's all. Now I am saving Boso. Close this, right? Is it save? After this, I need to do one step. After this, I need to do one step. Anyone can guide me. Where should I
We
enter,
have to
ma?
go back to Bosu Java project,
Very
sir.
good, very
Yeah,
good.
Bosu Java project we have to go, sir.
CD Bosu Java. Now dir Bosu. Wherever palm is there, you must stay there, Bosu. Try to remember. Wherever palm is there, you must stay there. Again, you need to go which one? Java, not Java. MVN, tell me, ma. Package. Shall I press enter? Yes. It is created once again. It is built once again. Which one it is builded? Build.jar file, ma. This is build artifact file. Technical word, ma. Everybody try to remember. Maven is generating build artifact files. This is the interview question. What is Maven? Maven is the build tool. It can build artifact files. Which files it can build? Artifact files. What are they? Maybe .var, maybe .jar, maybe .er. In our scenario, we are working with which files? Only jar files. Now, Gosu, guide me. How can I execute this? I'm applying my command, right? What is the command? First I need to enter. I am in project only, right? Where is my Java C hyphen CP Java? Shall I press enter?
Targets are your.
Now am I getting
Yeah.
Boss?
Yeah.
Hello Boso. Everybody will try it. Maybe you don't know how to install our tool, right? Tomorrow I'll tell you how to install from the scratch, man. At least minimum have you understood or not? In industry, maybe 10,000 lines will be there. Where 10,000 lines will be there? In our Java, in our maybe Bosu project. If I use dir, here we may having multiple options. You have seen, right? Tree/f. These are the something is there. Do you know everything? You no need to know everything. But if you know it, that is good for you. If you don't know it, no problem. Day to day, you may learn everything. Day to day, you may know everything. Now you try to interact with me. If any difficulty, any problem is there. If no worries, I may wind the session. If any worry is there, try to interact with me. At least have you understood or not? All of you, I am asking because of this is my first class for you. I think many people know Markonda sir. Only some people know me. I think here new in the sense Bosu is new for me. Even Leelaja knew first day she is listening my class. Even Srino. Who is Srino? Srino. Remaining Sanjano, Sravanino, even Ashwinino, Vimalno. Okay. I don't know, only 2 to 3 members. They need to know me. Okay. Even Kishore know me. Okay, thank you, ma. Tomorrow morning, I said right. Tomorrow morning, I may take 5:30 to 6:30, ma. Those who are trying to possible to attend, they may try it. We are taking Kubernetes class, ma. I think you know new people also Kubernetes. The word at least K8 is nowadays popular. If time permits, try to listen. Otherwise, don't enter, ma. If you feel I am very new, don't listen my class, morning class. If you feel okay, at least I'll try to learn the words. You try to attend that class. Daily I am taking 3 hours, ma. Morning 7 to 8 one class, evening 5 to 6 one more class, again evening 7 to 8 one more class. 3 hours I am taking. 7 to 8 I will take only Maven. 5 to 6 I am taking. Tell me anyone what 5 to 6 I am taking? Terraform.
Evening 5 to 6 is Terraform, sir.
Terraform. Morning 7 to 8
Yes.
what I am taking?
Kubernetes, sir.
Kubernetes.
Kubernetes.
In our AWS, 10 tools are there. I know all the 10 tools, ma. Now, Maven, how I am teaching, remaining all the tools also, I may teach in the same manner, in the same way. You may ask anywhere, any question, ma. I can try to explain you. Okay, thank you. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow.
Sure.
Who is Leelaja?
Leelaja.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Sir, we need to know complete Java to work
No.
on Maven.
No, you no need to know, but if you know it, that is good for you. I think you know, right? Ma, first time you
But
came,
we.
listen. First time you came to Tirupati, you know maybe your aunt house. I think you know, right? Very first time.
Yes.
After
Yeah.
that, you know that street, maybe neighbors, one or two persons. After that, you know one or two areas, ma. After 2 to 3 years, you are familiar with Tirupati. You are familiar. Why? You may go to some theaters. You may go to some shopping malls. In DevApps also same strategy we may apply. Why I am telling in this way? If you join in this batch, ma, 3 batches free, ma. Lelacha. If you join in this course, assume 3 batches free. Why I am giving 3 batches free? First batch you may understand the concept. Second batch you may apply little bit. Third batch you may be professional. Why in third batch you may be professional? Keep on listening same thing again multiple times, right?
Yes.
Markonda sir will teach same concept. Maven next batch. This batch I am taking Maven, right? Markonda sir will
Yes.
take Maven. Maybe this batch Markonda sir taught Git, right? In next batch I will teach Gitma. What is the advantage if you go like this? Tell me, anyone? Same concept. One faculty may teach one way, another faculty may teach another way. Maybe any one faculty concept that is easy for us, right? Sometimes. Got it or not? That's
Yes,
why
sir.
I am providing 3 batches for each person, 3 batches for each person. That may take maximum 4.5 months for completion of all the 3 batches. Within 4.5 months, all the 3 batches will be finished. Okay. Now you ask me any doubt.
Morning, what is the timing, sir?
Morning, which one, ma? Maybe Kubernetes class, right? Ma,
Yes.
tomorrow 5:30 to 6:30, ma. In general, 7 to 8, ma. Because of tomorrow, I'm having some work. That's why, ma, I'll mention within the group, ma. I think you didn't join in the group, ma. Ma, after
Yes, sir.
initial payment only, you will be available in the group generally. That's what I didn't add you. Okay. After that only, I
Okay,
given
sir.
general link only. If you want to be in the group, you must pay something, ma. Otherwise, there is no facility for there is no availability in the group, ma. If you are in the group, you may get everything proper way. That is the rule, ma. We are having that rule. I can't violate that rule. Okay, try to understand, ma. Everybody, I am
Sure,
saying.
sir.
Okay, good, ma. Okay, thank you. If any other facing any difficulty, please interact with me. Okay, stop.